In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check your email deliverability in Lemlist. So to check your email deliverability in Lemlist, start by heading over in the left panel and go to deliverability. And once you're in, make sure you're on the outreach view at the top. So this shows how your actual campaigns are performing. And here at the top, you can set your date range and select the mailbox or domain you want to analyze. Now here, look at the key metrics. So total emails sent is how many emails went out and delivered for how many successfully reached inboxes. And for not delivered or bounced, of course, it's for the emails that failed. And with the bounce rate, this should stay very low, ideally under 3%. So here in these two charts, starting with sent versus delivered versus bounce. So this is what gives you a quick visual of performance. And this chart, on the other hand, helps you spot issues or trends. Now check the performance by email provider. So this is where you can see if certain providers like Gmail or Outlook are causing problems. And if you notice high bounce rates or low delivery, it's a sign to clean your list, verify emails, or improve your sending setup. Thank you for watching this video. Also, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description. Bye!